Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is March 20th, 2025, and we're diving into FactSet's second quarter earnings report for fiscal year 2025. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. FactSet, a global financial digital platform and enterprise solutions provider, has just released its Q2 2025 earnings report, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. FactSet reported GAAP revenues of $570.7 million for Q2 2025, which is a 4.5% increase from the same period last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The revenue growth was primarily driven by increased demand from wealth and institutional buy-side clients. FactSet's organic annual subscription value, ASV, also saw a 4.1% increase, reaching $2,076.2 million. This indicates strong client retention and new client acquisitions.
And how did this impact their profitability?
FactSet's adjusted diluted EPS rose to 4.28 cents, a 1.4% increase year over year, beating the analyst forecast of 4.19 cents. This was achieved despite a slight decrease in operating margins due to higher technology-related expenses.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. FactSet's operating margin decreased to 32.5% from 33.3% last year. What factors contributed to this decline, and how is the company addressing it?
The decrease in operating margin was mainly due to increased acquisition-related professional fees and technology expenses. However, FactSet has managed to offset some of these costs through revenue growth and reduced employee compensation costs. Their focus on cost discipline and efficiency is evident in their free cash flow, which increased by 23.3% to $150.2 million.
Looking ahead, what does FactSet's guidance tell us about their future prospects?
FactSet has reaffirmed its guidance for adjusted EPS, expecting it to be in the range of $16.80 to $17.40 for fiscal 2025. This reflects their confidence in continued growth, supported by a strong pipeline and client engagement.
Strategic initiatives and market position. FactSet has been active on the strategic front with new acquisitions. Can you elaborate on these initiatives?
Absolutely. FactSet acquired Liquidity Book, enhancing their trading solutions, and Logo Intern, which improves productivity for financial services professionals. These acquisitions align with FactSet's strategy to expand their capabilities and offer integrated workflow solutions.
How is FactSet's market position reflected in their client and user growth?
FactSet's client count increased by 396 to 8,645, and their user base grew by 874, driven by wealth management. This growth, along with a dividend of 1.04 cents per share, underscores their strong market position and commitment to shareholder returns.
Key takeaways. In summary, FactSet has delivered a solid performance in Q2 2025, with revenue and adjusted EPS growth despite some margin pressures. Their strategic acquisitions and strong client retention position them well for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
FactSet's ability to beat EPS expectations and maintain strong cash flow highlights their operational strength. Investors should keep an eye on their strategic initiatives and market expansion efforts.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on FactSet's performance in the comments below.